How-Tos by Bros. In this video, we will be showing you exactly how to do more pull-ups without getting tired. So let's dive right into the video. So pull-ups, guys, I just like these kind of sometimes to do them on these just because it's a neutral grip for your wrist. I believe it's less strain on your wrist. I just feel less strain on my wrist because your wrists are just straight on. You just relax your wrist. For pull-ups or normal pull-ups, you have to turn your wrist, you turn your wrist inward for chin-ups. So for these, I'm just gonna do with these. This applies to pull-ups, chin-ups, or these ones. But basically, to do them without getting tired, you just gotta regulate your breathing. That's one way to do it. So basically, just breathe through it. I'm not a professional on breathing and all that, but honestly, just breathing in and out is for pull-ups. Is on the way down, breathing out, and just breathing through it, guys. Your breath is more powerful than you think, so make sure to breathe through it, guys. And to do more as well, you gotta be consistent, all right? You can't be doing these once every couple weeks, you know? You gotta just be consistent, but you also have to give your muscles time to rest, okay? You can't just be doing 100 a day like I used to do. That's stupid. Well, it wasn't stupid, but you gotta give your body time to rest, okay? So I would recommend every other day. If you're really wanting to get better at pull-ups, if you really want to break the record doing pull-ups, you can do it. You just got to do it, give your body rest, and just do them every other day, and 3 days a week, and just pull-ups are a very compound exercise. So if you're really wanting to build a lot of muscle, a lot of muscle goes into doing pull-ups. That you're using your back, you're using your biceps, and so the slower you go, though, the better on the way down, at least too. Like you can get up there pretty quick, but on the way down, slowing the movement down is a good thing just to build that muscle. So yeah, guys, that's a quick video on how to do more pull-ups. I know I didn't do very many, but thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, hit that notifications bell for more videos. Click the link in the description for my story, and also just check out the links in the description for more stuff. I got a bunch of stuff down there. God bless.